We heard claims of the E-Box dragster going 40 miles an hour.
We're gonna put that to the test.
1, 2, 3.
We got a fresh battery, 99% charged. We're gonna track the speeds with the Osmo remote, so you're gonna see it on screen how fast we're going. Rumors are a lie. So we ran the test twice. We had the 60 volt battery. Maybe with the 72 volt it'll go 40. But yeah, what do you think?
It's still a lot of fun for me. It's like I want to go riding every day.